Humans have been collecting items for thousands of years. Some really early collections were the cabinets of curiosity from the 1600s. So these were sort of cabinets with drawers and little cupboards and things where you could put objects, look at them and show them off to your friends. And from these became what we now know as big museums. So what we have here is a cabinet of economic botany objects. So these are items that are made out of the natural resources of the world, and they were used to try and find some way of making a profit out of them. And one of my favourite objects, this Japanese articulated dragon. So as you can see, it's made entirely out of wood and is joined together with tiny little threads. It's probably about 100 years old at least. I know that it's Japanese because it has 3 toes. So it's part of the collection, not because it's Japanese or that it's a dragon, but just that it's made out of wood, and this is one of the uses for wood. We also have tennis racket, and then if I just reach down, this really awesome chain made completely out of one piece of wood and has been carefully carved so that each link isn't broken in the course of the carving. The museum collects material for all different types of reasons. For example, we have one here that's actually just a piece of plywood. You can see the laminated pieces of timber here. It's in the collection because it is a piece of plywood, not for any other reason. So I have over 700 cabinets here, just like this one at Scienceworks, and every one has a discovery inside.